everyone, my name is Benita. I'm one of the fitness attendants here at the Princess Anne, and I'm here.
Hi everyone, my name's Emily and I'm the banquet manager here at the Princess Anne. One of the holidays coming, see, I already messed it up. Already messed it up. Okay. All right. Okay.
And when timed right, missed.
Most players struggle to make short putts, especially ones that have a lot of break. What I have here is an example of one. Garbage. All right.
So it's going to be hazy. It has a big, bold, juicy flavor, and it's available. It's going to be available at the.
Greetings from the fitness fan. Cut.
Hi, Andy Hinkle here at the Princess Anne Country Club. Wouldn't it be great if tennis was more like golf? I can't do it, man. I can't. You gotta go. We'll do it another time.
And action.
I hope you enjoyed this putting tip.
Up here in the Link Hornet Lounge. If you have any questions about the beer or be happy to answer them, I'm in the Link Hornet Lounge every single night. I don't know.
For making egg preparation flawless, and I tried to get fancy and it didn't work.
Hi guys, it's good. Hi guys, I'm Charles, one of the personal trainers at Princess Anne Princess. Oh, what's going on?
I hope this cake cutting tick.
Beer we brewed exclusively for you with Back Bay. It has a big, bulky. Comes from Back Bay. It is a 1916.
I can also do that. Don't forget to take. Let's do it again. I was so much better the first time. Tommy, move on.
I'm helping you out.
Hi there, I'm JT Garzinski, wine steward and bar manager here at the Princess Anne. Some quick tips about food and wine pairing that can really.
Born ready. All right.
Here we go.
All right.
2, 1.
Hi, my name is Chrissy here at the. I'm a personal trainer here at the Princess Anne.
Hi, I'm yours. Yes, I am. Ready?
Well, in tennis, we can do the very same thing by using our non-dominant arm to tee up the ball for our swing. That's why I say, all right. Okay. Got it. Wouldn't it be great if tennis was more like golf? I mean, golfers have the luxury of lining up the ball. You might have to go on to the next. Go to the golfers. The trick is to use your non-racket arm as a measuring stick, which doesn't allow the ball to get too close or too far away from our swing. I forgot. I'm good. I gotta stop.
Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, mic check.
An acidic-driven Riesling, such as the Robert Weil Riesling, and with a big, bold Cabernet, I would recommend a thick cut of meat.
Hi, my name is Chrissy. I'm a princess.
Most players struggle to make short putts, especially ones that break a whole lot. So what I have here is 2 examples. One putt is maximum break, minimum speed.
Hi, I'm Coach Arnold. Stop it, stop.
I hope this tips help you out, and I hope to see you soon at the President's.
Hit a nice chip that goes to 3 feet. Come see your golf professionals in the golf shop.
Do one more. Just slow that down just a little bit so I can understand you. So slow it down.
You can also put them into your gym bag, and it keeps that smelling a little longer. And you'll know when you need to replace it, when it doesn't help you smell better anymore.
I think less is more.
One with maximum break with minimum speed. And then one with maximum speed, minimum break. Didn't work out.
My fitness tip for you today is to always write down what you're going to do on your way to the gym. No, don't write it in the car.
For your setup, I like to have my front foot just behind my back and with my
What happened?
From wine glasses to mirror tiles and votives, these are simple little ornaments as well as some decor, and we can turn it into any of these things that we have here.
I like that. Act like you're coming back up.
Don't BS me. You didn't like that, because if you did, we'd be walking into the sunset right now.
We're going to sunset on this one. We're sunsetting right now, I promise you.
The trick is to use your non-racket arm as a measuring stick, not allowing the ball to get too close or too far away from our swing. That way we can be in optimum position for our swing. So remember to tee up your forehand